Okay students, now starting with exercise 6.2. Alright, so exercise 6.2. Now see first question. In the previous video I had explained the concepts, what are different types of angles, what are alternate angles, what are corresponding angles, what is transversal, what is parallel, and all this we have done. I'm starting with the exercise 6.2, question number 1 of your NCERT. Okay, this is your NCERT. Now question number 1 says, in figure 6.28 find the values of x and y and then show that AB is parallel to CD. This notation is of parallel, okay? This notation is of parallel lines, okay? Even if it is not written in word, you should know that these are parallel lines, okay? So now it says find the values of x and y and then show that AB is parallel to CD. So first we have to find the value of x, we have to find the value of y. Okay, now come to the figure. You can clearly see this. Okay, this is a transversal, these are parallel lines, we will show them. Okay, but question is asking first find the values of x and y. So we will first find value of x and y. Now there are two methods, students. Now if you see this angle, this is 130 degree, okay, this and this angle y, okay, these are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal, so this means this will be 130, right? Now this, since this is transversal, okay, so this angle x will be equal to angle y. Okay, let me change the ink. So angle x will be equal to angle y because it is alternate interior angles. Okay, angle x is equal to angle y, which is equal to 130 degree because alternate interior angles. Are you following, students? One method is this. I am repeating again. This angle 130 will be equal to angle y because it is vertically, okay, I'll write vertically opposite angle. Okay, I'm writing in short vertically opposite angles. Okay, so this angle and this angle, what is this and this? I'm saying y will be equal to 130 degree. Okay, so angle y will be equal to 130 degree because it is vertically opposite angle. Okay, now if this y is 130, this will be equal to angle x. If you remember, students, when I had explained you parallel lines and transversal, I had explained you this. This is a transversal. Okay, this angle and this angle is alternate interior. Okay, or I can still write, okay, I'll change the ink. If I take this, if I draw this and this, when I draw this as a transversal, then this angle and this angle will be alternate interior angles, right? So I've written y, we already got 130, this y will be equal to this angle. So angle x is equal to angle y is equal to 130 degree because alternate interior angles. Another or okay, let me rub this 1 minute, I'll tell you another method also. Or what there is another method, you can do by that method also if you find comfortable, whichever method you find. If you see this angle, this is a linear pair, okay, this means this 50 plus x will be 180 degree. 50 plus x is equal to 180 degree because linear pair, the sum of the measure of a linear pair is always 180 degree. So from here you will get x is equal to 180 minus 50, which is equal to 130 degree, right? So now this is 130. If this is 130, so this y will be also 130, right? This y will be also 130. This y will be, or x will be equal to this y, 130 degree y. Angle x will be equal to angle y because alternate interior angles. Okay, So this means now our first part of the question was saying find the values of x and y. So what is the value of x and y? X and y are both equal. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles and their sum is how much and the measure is how much? 130 degree. Okay, so either by this method, okay, method 1, or if you want by this, then method 2, whichever method you find easy how to calculate. Okay, in both the methods you will get 130 degree. Okay, 130 degree. So angle x is equal to 130 degree, angle y is equal to 130 degree, and angle x is equal to angle y, which is equal to 130 degree. Now second part says then show that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, this theorem you have to keep in mind, students. If a transversal intersects two lines, can you see where I am reading? See this box where I have highlighted. If a transversal intersects two lines, so this is a transversal, so it is intersecting, okay, intersects two lines. These are the two lines which are intersecting such that pair of alternate interior angles are equal. So these are x and y are alternate interior angles which are equal of 130 degree. Then two lines are parallel to each other. So this means which are the two lines? AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so therefore we will write this. Therefore, okay, therefore AB is parallel to CD. Are you following, students? You have to write this statement. Okay, this is important. This statement you have to write. Okay, I am repeating again. If a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles are equal, okay, then two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so this question is finished now. We have found the value of x and y and we have shown that AB is parallel to CD. So in this way you will complete this question and just try next 2 or 3 questions. Okay, I'm not telling you to solve complete exercise. I'm just saying that you solve next 2 or 3 questions. Just try and solve. Okay, then in the next video I will explain more questions. So all the best and study well, students.